Ltd, and today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy salad. During the summer months, you will get a glut of cucumbers and a glut of watermelons on the market. So what do? Rather than making the same old recipes that you always use for your cucumber and your watermelon, we're going to jazz it up today. We're going to make cucumber and watermelon salad. It is so good. Let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 medium-sized cucumbers. I would have cut the tops and the bottom off, and then I removed part of the skin. We're not going to remove all of it because we're keeping some of the skin on for aesthetic value. But you can eat the cucumber skin, but we're going to remove some just because it looks prettier for our salad. We have a watermelon. I would have cut the watermelon, removed the seeds. If you have one with seeds, remove the seeds. We don't need that, and cut it into some bite-sized pieces. We have a quarter of a small onion, white onion, chopped. And for our dressing, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Now it's time to put our salad together. So we're going to add our cucumber, watermelon, our onion. Then I'll go ahead and make the dressing. Our dressing, we're going to add our balsamic vinegar to the olive oil. This is going to give a really nice flavor. We're going to add a pinch of salt. Then we're going to stir. And once we stir, to make sure everything's mixed well, you know, it takes a good stir to get things to mix with oil. We're going to drizzle it over our salad. Our cucumber and watermelon salad is done. Now, because both the cucumber and the watermelon are filled with water, it can get really soggy quickly, so be sure to make this salad just before you're ready to use it, and use it all. Let's taste. So refreshing, so delicious. I highly recommend this salad if you have some kind of special occasion. Children will love it. Cucumber and watermelon salad? Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this salad, I want you to look over here, see some of my other salads, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.